Feel what? Hungry? We just got finished eating 50 things. Candy. Keeps on reaching me for candy. Oh. Let it just sit for 10 minutes. Oh, I don't eat that honey at all. You eat it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? I brought home about 20 of them. You got most of them gone? Oh, I brought home. I don't know, I might go home. I got like 6 packs of them. That's 3 in a pack or 4 in a pack. You're not gonna have this breakfast though?
I did.
Yeah.
I did.
So like, maybe they work with you and keep you pretty steady then, right?
Hmm?
They keep you pretty steady maybe here?
I don't know.
You don't know, you just go by the day, right? Just to see how it goes.
I don't know what you told him that.
How steady is your work? Is she gonna work every other day? Is she gonna work just on weekends? Or maybe from Friday to Sunday, not Monday? There's no night work either, right? You know the whole story about everything, right? Well, we just shifted from Medicare to Medicaid, which is a real good thing.
Who said that?
No, because Medicare don't pay a lot of money. Cover, but Medicaid pays for all your.
Oh.
But I have to be evaluated by it. If I'm being evaluated, I gotta be a nut so you can get the money. But I don't care. As long as she's protected. You guys got work. Right, mommy? We were up a few times last night. Ooh. They get mad at me because she go sit there. It's like probably 9:30, something like that. They get mad if I don't put her in bed by 7:30. I don't know how to do it, huh?
Yesterday night?
Yeah, in bed, yeah. But my son and his wife get upset because, which is true, I should have her in earlier. I can't, it's too much of me, so usually here she's in bed when she's supposed to be.